First 10K of your life?
First 10K ever!
Kathleen and I are running a 10K today. This is Kathleen's first time and this is only my second. We are not long distance runners, but this is something that we wanted to improve on this year. Our goal today was just to finish the race at our own pace.
How's it start?
The atmosphere was great at the start line. There were a lot of people.
2K.
The first 3 kilometers are always the hardest for me. At that point my mind is like, you're already tired now, how are you gonna do another 7? But once I tell my mind that this is my new reality and that we're gonna finish the race, my body just kind of sets in and finds its groove. Don't get me wrong, the last ones are always so challenging. But when you know you've come so far in this journey, the last thing you want to do is quit.
Kathleen de Joyce, artiste de Saint-Laurent, Agustin de Saint-Laurent.
We got a decent time, far from a pro, but definitely something to be proud of. But now we feel like we can do more things, set more challenges, and continue to improve. We already booked our next race, which is the Spartan, and our goal is just to keep pushing forward and to keep improving every year, every day.